I'm going to make a very inexpensive cleaning solution out of common household products. And it's very effective at removing grease, stains. It'll work on stainless steel cabinets. It even works on granite. Now it helps if it's sealed. I don't know about marble since I haven't tried it. I'm afraid that some of these ingredients could get lodged in these pores. But what you need is some hot water. We need about a gallon of hot water. Take a cup of borax, and borax is going to help soften the water, make the dirt easy to come loose. You don't have to be accurate, it doesn't matter, just close enough is good. Then we need a cup of clothes detergent. This one has OxyClean, which also helps in removing dirt. Now I add 1 cup of the clothes detergent. You don't have to be accurate, and the reason why is that when you put it in the hot water, it should be as hot as you can get it. It'll dissolve the borax and the clothes washing detergent, and whatever does not dissolve, that's okay. What happens is that the water gets to a super saturated state, and it won't dissolve anymore, and you're left with undissolved powder. So don't worry about it for now. So now just let it sit and cool off to room temperature. You could use it right away while it's still warm. If you use a rag, you can dip it in the solution and make it nice and wet. Not so much where it's dripping, but then you can wipe down any cabinets or stainless steel. You do have to rinse off the surface. The reason is that the borax is not good for your health if it's accidentally consumed. Meaning if someone touched the cabinet and licks their finger like a kid, you don't want that. So you want to rinse it with another towel and then dry it. And the other reason why you want to rinse it because it'll leave a white haze if you don't. If you dunk items in the solution, just be aware that it's going to feel real slippery and it could slip out of your hands. If you are going to put it in a spray bottle, you'll have to let it cool off. The reason why is right now the solution is super saturated. I mean, it's hot. It'll hold a lot more of the powder. But once it cools off, some of the powder will come out of solution and it'll solidify it and show up in the bottom of the bucket. You want to cool off because if you pour the hot liquid into the bottle and when it cools, some of the powder will come out of solution and it'll settle down on the bottom. The problem with that is that when you go to spray, use your spray bottle, it's going to pick up the powder and it's going to clog up your sprayer. And get around that, you have to take the sprayer head out and pump hot water through it to try to dissolve the powder that's in the tube.